Hi everyone, it's Tuva here. Hope you're all doing really well this week. This video is about things that you do day and night in your spiritual walk. I hope you enjoy. Tuva here. Hope you're all well. Welcome to this week's video. I'm doing a video this week on how I keep up my practice, the things that I get up to that nobody sees or normally doesn't see. I thought it would be good to share, to give people ideas of just what it is to be walking the shamanic path, that it's not all about just doing things when you feel like it. It's a commitment, it's things that you do day and night. So for example, some of the things that I'll be showing you later in the video are going to show videos of me doing certain things morning and evening, and obviously during the day I have got a job and I do have to go to work, so I can't do things constantly all day long. But as soon as I get home, it is back to the spiritual side of me. As soon as I go to bed, I don't sleep the whole night. I get up around the same time every night to do things like rituals and healings and spells, and then I go back to bed and sleep very well actually, and then when I get up in the morning I don't feel like tired or anything. So it is just part of my spiritual walk that I do this, because I do find that if you do get up in the middle of the night, if you do get up around a set time, the power seems to come through more, that you're able to concentrate and put your intent in a lot more. So yeah, I'll show these examples anyway. Baby friend that has passed across, your mummy needs a message. I want to link in with you now. Mind to your spirit, heart to your soul. Help me pick the right card to let your mummy know that you are okay. Before I go, I'm going to pick a card for the day for myself, because something that I always do, something that is good to do. Let's have a look now. What is my intent? Well, my intent today is finances. Yes, things are going to improve for me. Okay, I thank you for that, and I'll put this one as my affirmation for today, that I will succeed and I will walk forwards and my finances will become better. this energy ball of healing. I ask you send it now to all those in need. Raven of Odin, take this energy ball, take it now, and take it to those in need, to the warriors and the farmers, and to the everyday man, woman and child. Aid them with this energy ball. Take it on your wings. Hail Odin, hail, O Raven of life, O Raven of Odin. I send life to those in need. Send healing to those in need. Mighty powers creates that of healing power. I create that ball of healing power, and I ask it to go to those in need. Hail to the power within, to the power that draws from within. I weave this ball of energy, and I seek it to heal those that need it. Light of the candle. Fire it up. Air of my breath. Send it on its way. Earth, find needs it, and water, flow it on its way of motion, and we cast it now. We send it now. It is done. So now you've seen all the clips and all the things that I get up to. I hope it hasn't put you off of this path, because everybody's different and everybody does it in a different way. So obviously you would do things your own way. So whereas I'm a very dramatic type of person, you might not be. So you can do things in a very simple way, in a very methodical way. Whatever your character or your soul tells you to do, that's the way to do it. I'm just showing you how I do things. Any new subscribers, I really do thank you. And to those returning, I really do thank you. And to those that are always with me, thank you. I hope you enjoy the new updated version of this channel and my new name and everything. Wherever you are, whatever time of day, night or evening it may be, I wish you the best ever. How's that?